What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update right now. On Bome, just wanted to give you my thoughts, wanted to tell you what I think about it right now. Yesterday we talked about the possibility that Bome would get some sort of a breakout and rally, which is still something I look at, of course. I mean, you can still see what was the case yesterday is still the case, and it's an interesting development. To see some sort of a divergence like this, where we basically gained quite a lot of momentum over the last 4 days, and the price stayed flat. That's always interesting, but what I also told you is wait for that breakout. 1.5 cents yesterday was the main resistance level we would need to break to actually rally. And at this point of time, unfortunately, but it is the truth, there's quite a lot of bearish pressure in the markets. You can see altcoins right now are dropping down quite a bit. They're no longer bullish as they were Monday morning, for example. And that has an effect, and Bitcoin in general is also just not that strong. And that does have an effect on Bome. Not that much as other altcoins. I mean, Bome is quite uncorrelated. You can even see it's negatively correlated to Bitcoin. But it does have an effect, right? If the market is doing worse, then obviously less money is going into meme coins. So what you said, and well, hopefully I can also find some proof of that. Otherwise, it wouldn't be great. But if you look at the volume for Bome, it also dropped down quite a bit, right? So it's dropping down at this moment that we speak. However, I do still think it has potential to rally at some point of time. Short term though, and that's also why I talked quite long about that we are relatively bearish right now. Our main support level, as most of you know, we've talked about this very, very often, is this level right here between 1.2 and 1.25 cents. And well, I am not sure if I expect that to hold. All right, it's a strong support level. It has, you can see once we broke above that, the 21st of March, so about 3 weeks ago, we never broke below that, and we also found significant support at that level. However, I'm not sure if Bome is going to be able to hold that level still. So I think it's most likely, look, if you assume that the current structure is still a consolidation like this, and that these two moves were mostly fake outs, even though this is quite a big fake out. So maybe you should say that the consolidation was more like this, maybe. If you think that this market structure is still the current market structure, then what you would say is that, all right, we're now at the bottom, so we're going to continue to move up, or at least we will reverse from here and get back up to the top of that consolidation. And I agree with that. If we purely take away all the feelings and we just objectively look at Bome right now, that is the most likely scenario. All right, it's always most likely that the current market structure continues. However, personally, what I would prepare most for is that bearish breakout, all right? Because, like I said, there's not a lot of strength right now in the markets. And the moment that Bome actually does break down below 1.2 and 1.25 cents here, and it's a confirmed bearish breakout, we'll drop down to this level right here around 1 cent. And I don't think that's the end of the world. It's a bearish breakout, and then we will be bearish. But from that level, the potential is actually higher. Because from that level, I expect that to hold. And then from that level, if we get a bullish breakout above 1.2 and 1.25, we can rally much higher. So I would prepare most for this. All right. Personally, I think we need to see a little bit more price action. Objectively, I still think it's most likely we will hold this level and continue to move up towards at least 1.4 and 1.45 cents. But it's best to wait for some confirmation, right? So if we break above 1.32 cents here, I think that's enough confirmation to assume that the consolidation holds. Otherwise, still prepare most for this bearish breakout. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next update. Bye.